So first of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys. Our first family meeting in how long? Like 4 years.
Yeah,
It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Yeah.
You guys always say you are busy. So
No. Last year we were not busy. I just remember ni Hesbon alisema hatapatikana because alikuwa amepeleka mtoto graduation. Was it graduation?
Yes.
Didn't we have graduation Didn't we have graduation? Didn't we? Because one monge nyite.
No. In Sirikal, it's okay that we keep the decorum.
No, today we are here, all of us. We have to address the issue. Ka wachare.
But it's unfair that mtu mmoja akiwa na event, we all turn up. Mwingine akiwa nao,
mama notokiterach magimo wacho onge.
Okay.
Atieko jela dwecha diko kulima. Jela tieko dwecha diko.
Jakuto wale monamo.
Dongi jakuo.
Dongi no hangna.
Ase dwaro wacho ni wachni. Ase manyi. Nase kani kokain. Ne abro padi.
Kongwe lweti boy kangwe uno.
Abiro giwelo.
Kongwe lweti boy kangwe uno timaki. Kalweti ngwe uno timaki.
Nyalo biro ni pado ngato tin mi padi tarali.
Maja kuo, we don't talk with
you.
Mama ni dongo nyithinde
ma bemero kinyi gotieno. What can we discuss with that drunkard? What can we discuss with that drunkard?
Listen. I have not
talked.
Okakinyo ngato. Achamo chiemba.
But Charlie, listen.
Lungo no mersa yote.
Bwana MP. It is your issue that is going to affect us as a family. Gini wase uende. Arakata kimadho madhi maler.
Ano tingo ya piny kathin komer. Poda donga rom kama sami pod
ngado go pende.
Dong chali manogo ya piny magine
yawa. In short, we don't have a family here,
we have
this
family.
Is just
we have a family.
Adwa
okumi akata chance ni mondo kura introduce nuwelo mawango.
Introduce underlying issues nyako wawachi.
Tokiwacho
na nyathini ni madho soda kagima pok noneno soda.
Ngamoya nyathini.
Moriambo.
Soda go inyewo.
Mama nilembele ombaga.
Ambala muzi.
Ngato wuro kodi.
hypocrites in the name of family.
Nada chumbunge. Facebook donga kendo bari wacho nada chumbunge.
Monde kwalwa.
Kwari nore mujikumi.
Ka wanji adi.
Kwaru nore mujikumi.
Dongo onji parka.
Yes.
Tony ayudo likes ariyo. Kata ka kende dumia likes.
Nikechwa ng'e, we know your history. You want to
waloro gini bana waloro.
Namo ni suit lito ga constituency. Suit create ga constituency.
Gimomiyo nani
suit ken ga mbunge. Mubungo ken suit.
Ini ngamo moni rwako suit.
Rwako kote odingene ne wagore class 2.
Ne.
Sweta tera ni ito ngamo.
To sweta to bro tiyo edeni.
Ma sweta tera.
Ano gore chimbo igni auchiel to pod ngima kasle.
Koro winjuru kama.
Jomoko dhi.
Nitie welo me wan go kawuono. Mami ya luongo meeting ni monda introduce.
Iro ni jone jaodi.
Wacha di chielo the long way up. Odi malo ni.
Koro mano koro tibana wacho. Ibana wacho. Nikech
rwaka ngolo.
Nyombo ta nyombo. To ngani so ultieng manu kendo dongo nuluongo na.
Nikech rwaka ngolo.
Kelo na gine.
Achiel gumona
de. Nikech gole Nairobi.
Wawinjire uru.
Pedho tiko takata gwelo.
Okamono monde uwacho kisungu. Sawa.
Mona de
Kisumu manyocho wacho ko introduce Eliel emakoro chwanyo makoro miyo idiro na wacha
Kizungu mare exponential.
Apenjo mere.
Yes.
Mbas waya si prosa ni emikelo no.
Bwana ne.
Adwa wacho gino.
Bwana ne.
Mato man.
Bwana ne.
Kawa onge family. Let's gas this part.
Prosa rwaga ngolo.